Pro, Emmo Voltus,
Emmo Monta.
Emmo Monta Pro. Yeah, they are as similar. They're so similar. Like there had to be a video done about these two because you'd never buy this online. Why? You couldn't tell the difference. So there's a $300 difference. Let's compare equal batteries. 15 amp hour battery, because that dictates the cost of a bike very much so. So $2,049 for a 15 amp hour, also comes in a 25 amp hour, and $2349 for the Monta Pro for a 15 amp hour. So these are the same frame. This is the same stamp in the factory, same stamp. Batteries are the same, like same brand. There actually isn't a brand because Emmo has their own brand, or Oyos brand, but there are component differences. So, and that's really what these bicycles between the $2,000 and $3,000 are made of. It's like the price dictates the quality of the components that are on it, and it's none are bad or worse, they're just different. So let me go through, exactly what that means, like going from the front. So you have thicker discs than the Voltus. You've got name brand Kenda tires. That costs more money than that brand. Your suspension is better. I don't have a name brand, and I'm sorry I don't have more technical for you. I'm just got to tell you, it's a better suspension. Anybody can look at that and see that. Plastic. Okay, so that's the same. Moving on up, the connections are the same. Actually, their hydraulics are the same as well, so that's nice. That means like the safety of it. Same gears. Then you want to come up to the screen. Now, I actually prefer the screen on the cheaper version because it's just easy to see, but it gives you almost no information, right? Basic information, nothing wrong with that. So then we'll open up the screen with the Pro. So it's going to open up there. Also, the bike is UL2849 certified. That costs money. And this is Bluetooth, a speedo, so you can connect your phone so you can see your GPS. That's a huge difference. That's a $200 speedo. This is a $400 speedo. So that alone, believe me, the $300 difference between these two bikes is well worth it. I didn't even go through the fact that this has a mag wheels. This has spokes. Hello, that should have been the first thing. Even so this is an adjustable neck. That is not. Okay, cranks are the same, arms are the same, derailleurs are the same. Okay, we're going through that. Lights are the same. That kind of runs it down. What was that? Okay, everything's fine. Now, Emmo doesn't give us a lot of idea of components. This is going to be a slight different controller because it has a better speedo. They have to communicate with each other. Okay, yeah, so let's just run through that again. Tires, wheels, suspension, speedo, neck, UL2849 certified, controller, and I think that's about it. So that kind of brings your $300 difference. And you know what? That's up to you when you come in and you can see them side by side. If you can justify it, cool. This one does come in a 25 amp hour battery, so that's a really great price for that. But I hope that kind of answers the questions, and actually seeing a side by side of these bikes and going, what the heck is the difference? So that's RideTheWindEbikes. We're here to do that kind of stuff for you, and we hope to earn your business. Thank you.